Blacked Out 4x4, welcome back to another one. I got some exciting news for you. We are heading to Wheels for Less. They gave me a call today and they are like, we got some wheels for you. We know you want some black wheels, so we're heading over to Wheels for Less and we're gonna get this truck transformed. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we are, Wheels for Less. Got the truck over here, let's head in. So we got the truck pulled in and we're gonna be getting some 33s put in with some black wheels. I cannot wait. All right guys, it's the moment I've been waiting for. I can see the truck. Let me flip it over. All right guys, I love these. I am so happy with the way it turned out behind me. It looks incredible. I want to thank the guys at Wheels for Less. They did a fantastic job with the install, with providing me with these awesome tires and rims. So I want to mention to you guys that there's no lift to this truck. It's on stock suspension and there's enough room. There's a lot of space for these 33s. I'm gonna do another video soon where I'm gonna give you guys a full review of how it feels driving with these. I will give you my honest opinion of how they feel, if there's any rubbing. If you guys like what you saw here today, do give me a thumbs up. And remind you, there's a little subscribe button at the corner. You can click on it, smash on it, tap on it, whatever you can to show your support, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.